favorite guinea pigs to try out most of my creations. So when they come down for dinner, it's all about pampering them and pampering them right. Today I'm creating an Indonesian mutton curry. It's just highly fragrant ingredients that get blitzed together and leave it to cook on the slowest possible simmer. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating it. While this does evolve around blitzer magic, into my blitzer goes in 250 grams of lovely shallots. To that I take nearly 30 bird-eye chilies. Yes, I love that heat that it brings. A tablespoon and a half of seeds of coriander, about 1 heaped teaspoon of cumin seeds, an inch and a half of some lovely fresh turmeric, 2 inches of ginger, 2 inches of Thai ginger or the beautiful galangal, about 8 almonds just for some nutty goodness, 15 cloves of garlic, and about half a teaspoon of beautiful black pepper powder. You just blitz this to the finest possible paste. Perfectly blitzed up and that gorgeous amber yellow color coming through. Into a cast iron goes nearly 25 to 30 mils of regular cooking oil. Just allow it to get nice and hot, and we're going to infuse it with a lot of spices. So about 2 inches of cinnamon going in, 6 cloves, 6 green cardamoms. You can just slightly bruise it up or put it right in. Just want to extract maximum flavor. Take about 4 or 5 bay leaves, just roughly crush it up, throw it in. Now I love kaffir lime leaves, and kaffir lime leaves create sort of magic in this creation. So about 8 or 9 of them going in, about 4 inches of lemongrass, and we're just going to let all this infuse together. As these scent your entire kitchen, now's the time to take that spice blend and put it right in. Now this is a spluttering nightmare, so you have to stir it continuously for at least 2 to 3 minutes till you see a little bit of oil seeping out from the side. Into this now goes nearly 2 kgs of mutton bone in, and we're just going to allow it all to infuse now. Well emulsified and seared really well. Now's the time to take some sea salt and just put that in, and it's going to elevate this creation to a whole new level. So give this a quick stir. Indonesian food is all about that perfect blend of sweet, salt, savory and spice. So you need to add some cane sugar in, so nearly 1.5 tablespoons of cane sugar going in, along with 400 mils of coconut milk. And lastly, in goes about 600 mils of boiling hot water, just to give this curry some depth and character. You need to bring this to a roaring boil and then cook it covered for about 2 hours on the slowest possible simmer. 2 hours later, this simmering pot of earthy aromas are ready. All this needs is an overload of some freshly chopped leaves of coriander, a quick stir, and my easy peasy Indonesian mutton curry is ready to be enjoyed either with some steamed rice or roti. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. The trick out here is to take 5 or 6 highly fragrant ingredients, blitz them together and create some great magic. Now ain't that what cooking is truly about, where you do not stress but create star quality meals. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.